Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix speakers not working on iOS 17. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and your speakers are not working after new update 17. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys after this after opening your settings you need to scroll it down, and guys after this simply you need to click on sound and haptics. As you can see here, you need to click on this one, and guys first of all you need to increase your this volume. So guys after increasing it you need to click on ringtone, and guys make sure that any tone is selected. So guys if none, then guys you need to select any tone, and guys you can see here the option of log sound. So guys simply you need to turn off. So guys if turn on, then guys you need to turn off it, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys secondly you need to click on general, and guys click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest version iOS 17.2 beta or greater than this version. So guys after doing new version, all the problems will be fixed that you are facing in iOS 17. So guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys after doing this your problems will be fixed. So guys if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to click on Apple Sport, and guys select your gadget, and guys you need to click on more, and guys here you need to click on audio, and guys after this you need to wait, and guys simply you need to click on this one, contact, and guys you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and guys they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys after doing this, if still not fix your problem, so guys maybe your speakers are physically damaged. So guys you need to check your iPhone to mechanic, and guys he will tell you that your speakers are damaged or not. So guys if damaged, then guys you need to change your new speakers, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.